Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be unboxing the Mr. Chad mannequin head and doing a demo and review. If you are interested, then please keep watching. This Mr. Chad mannequin head is advertised for $49.99 after clearance. I got it at sallybeauty.com. It took about a week before I got my shipment. The actual price is $49.99. However, I was able to use a rewards discount of $10 to get a few dollars knocked off. Right here, I'm just showing you the package you can expect once you get your delivery. And this is what you can expect Mr. Chad to look like here. He has wavy hair and is very full and thick, and a thick beard. He kind of resembles the guy of The Hobbit. I think his name was Thorin, which is the king of the dwarves. Just my opinion. Right here I'm just showing you what he looks like underneath all of this hair. He actually has glossy lips, which my other mannequin, Liam, he didn't have. So I noticed that was pretty much different. And he doesn't have a tag or a name stamp on his neck like Liam does. Just an observation. Right here I'm testing out the hair. Right now I'm going to lighten it with a volume 20 and a volume 30. This is a 20 right here. Powder lightener, my BW2 lightener, and we're going to see if we're going to get any lift here. As you can see here, he lightened pretty good, and his hair doesn't feel very dry or breaking or falling out or anything. Right here I'm just going to give him a haircut and a blow dry and a flat iron to kind of test to see how well the hair holds up. And if you were interested in making a purchase, you may or may not, depending on what you see here. I would like to also mention that the only product that I have in his hair is my shampoo. I shampooed his hair. I didn't condition it or anything. And you can see it's still easy to comb through. I'm not getting any snags. Nothing's really tangling and everything, which is pretty good. Right here I'm just pulling out a bit of yarn. Apparently he has a lot of little yarn strands, but that's not unusual because I noticed that a lot of mannequins have that particular thing going on. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Right here, I'm just going to be working on the beard, just giving just a blunt cut, not really a shape right now. So I'm just testing out how well his hair handles a trim or a cut or whatever. And it's pretty nice and full. It's nice and soft. It's not tangling or anything. I'm not getting any snags. A whole bunch of hair is not shedding or anything. So that's pretty good as well. Right here, I'm just drying his hair, and you can see that he has a wavy hair texture, which adds to the amount of body and volume in his hair. And I'm just round brushing his hair, and it's taking heat pretty well. Here is the finished result of just the blowout. Okay, right here, I'm just doing a flat iron test, and his hair takes heat pretty well. It's not frying, sizzling, or it doesn't smell bad or anything. Right here, I'm just showing you before what his hair looked like before we got started. And next, I'm going to show you the finished result. This is like the flat iron result. Thanks for watching. All in all, I am happy with my purchase. And if I had the option, I would repurchase it again. and I would recommend it to a friend. I'm very happy with my mannequin head. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.